Still into that song. I can't. I don't know why. I'm a loser. Hopefully you guys like my background in the last video. I actually kind of very fond of this and I'm thinking I'm going to do something with it. So I decided to film here again today. Today we are going to talk about all of the drama that is circling around the Galaxy Fold. If you know anything at all about tech, or if you follow it, or if you like Android or the Samsung Galaxies, then you know exactly what's happened with this tech. But I'm going to recap it for you anyway, just in case you didn't know the why, or the what's, or the dates, or anything like that. The Samsung Galaxy Fold was supposed to release on April 26th, and the only reason that I remember that is because that's when Avengers came out. I can remember Avengers, but I can't remember anything else. The phone was supposed to look like this. It has a teeny tiny small screen on the very front, and then it opens up into a gigantic huge screen, which is supposed to be the main extended purpose. And I guess you're not supposed to use the small screen very much, even though I would want to use both equally if I paid $2,000 for this phone. So now that we've got the price out of the way and we've got the date of release that it was supposed to be out of the way, let's talk about all the crap that happened. So Samsung sent out PR packages for this phone. They sent them out to tech tubers like Unbox Therapy. They sent them out to Marquez Brownlee, MKBHD. They sent them out to news bloggers, they send them out to a decent amount of people. And honestly, I know they do that a lot of the times, but they sent these out early. And I'm thinking because not a lot of people wanted to freaking pay $2,000, and they was like, if we can just send them to everyone, go ahead, make this list a little bit bigger, then we're not going to have to worry about people refusing to buy it and review it because of the price tag. Because let's be honest here, this is the first gen product. Is it cool? Yes. Is it annoying to look at? Yes. But anyways, these YouTubers got a hold of this phone. Everyone thought it was kind of cool for the price point, which I don't agree with. And the technology is kind of awesome because the screen folds in on itself and it actually is a working, bendable screen that's good quality. But here's where the issue came in. Samsung released a statement and actually had a warning saying that there is going to be a protective film over the screen, so that's going to keep the screen from getting any type of damaging. The Galaxy Fold is supposed to have a warning sticker on it saying, please do not try to peel off this little film that is over the larger screen once you open it, because it could damage the screen. All right, you followed me? You got it? You follow me here? All right, good. So these PR packages didn't have this warning label on them. And everyone loves that beautiful sound of the plastic peeling off the phone like this. If you're sent a review unit to review something and you see that, past experience is going to tell you to peel that off, especially if there's not any warning labels on it. So they peeled it off. And then when they peeled it off, this started happening. And the phones started screens would blink in and out. There would be lines going up and down them. They was having all kinds of problems literally within the first couple hours of getting the phones. And I kind of throwing Samsung under the bus for that one, just specifically for the fact that they didn't put warnings on the PR packages. And how are the YouTubers supposed to just note that, right? But there's more. There's more. Phones started surfacing the same day saying, hey, my screen's messing up, it's not working, and I didn't peel off my protective screen. So I don't know what the deal is. The screen's just messing up, not working. So then there was a lot of press and there's a lot of issues saying, well, was it that people had peeled off the screen or was it not? Because if these phones are messing up with this protective screen on, then it's just a fault in the screens themselves. So ultimately Samsung listened to the complaints. How could they not? Because the phone's not working. Within 24 hours, you have all of these complaints and none of the units that were sent out are working. That's an issue. So they are not releasing the Samsung Galaxy Fold as of right now. That is being postponed. So I'm assuming that they are going to re-engineer what's going on, fix the problems, and then try another release later on. But to be honest with you, if I was Samsung, I would have collected feedback from the YouTubers and everyone that got a unit saying, well, other than the screen messing up, what did you notice that bothered you? And what did you like? So that way they can just do an entire redesign, because I wouldn't release the same product after fixing the issue. I would redesign a product and saying, well, we released first gen, didn't work out, that sucks, so let's go ahead and redesign this and try to just release a second gen with better quality, different looks, listening to your feedback. But I do want to know what you guys think. Please put those comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Galaxy Fold, if there's any other companies you would like me to look into and review. This wasn't necessarily a in-depth review on something or a first impression or anything like that. I just kind of wanted to catch everyone on my channel up to speed on why the units are being postponed, why this is happening, the excuses and explanations that Samsung released saying that you're not supposed to peel off the protective screen. A lot of people know what's going on, but not a lot of people knew why, because they don't go deep enough into the rabbit holes that I get stuck in on the couch. But I was sick past weekend, and if you watch my previous videos, you know that, and I had a lot of time to just look stuff up. But other than that, if you have not seen it, go check out my previous video, which is my update on the iPhone X silicone case review. That actually was a requested video. But other than that, please like my video, put those comments down below, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit the notification bell so you can get notified. And I will see you guys in the next one. I love all of you. Peace.